I've gained a lot. It's been pretty transformational.
Anybody can do this, like absolutely anybody can do it. You just have to take the time to learn and take the right steps, and it's really simple.
When I came here, I had no experience with power tools, pretty much, other than like a drill. I didn't even know what an impact driver was. General experience has been one that I would consider for myself to be life-changing.
It has been a 4-month-long experience. We do 2 days a week here, and we are essentially learning everything from the ground up, foundations to floor systems, to framing, roof systems, and kind of everything else in between.
The average day has been a bit of theory in the morning and some questions, and then followed by the practical application. And then doing that twice, 2 days in a row, has been great for like solidifying that knowledge.
The environment is really conducive to learning because the teachers are very caring. They worry about your safety, which is not something that's common in this field. Yeah, it's wonderful.
As a woman, I was really scared to enter spaces like this prior because I have very little knowledge, or I'm all self-taught. It's such a welcoming environment that I've felt so nurtured here, and that makes me really excited to learn.
Everybody was so nice and so welcoming, and I just felt like one of the crew.
I came here to just gain confidence and knowledge and the ability to be safe with these things, and I got a lot more than that. I have this sense of autonomousness now, where I can take an idea, in the mental space and turn it into something physical, and that's been really cool to be able to create.
Getting your hands on the tools and getting just even a little bit of experience is super empowering.
Wild Abundance really draws amazing people from around the country. We all come from different backgrounds in terms of building and life in general.
Wild Abundance is unique in the sense that it's not a community college class and it's not an apprenticeship.
There were opportunities for apprenticeships, working with an existing company and whatnot. And I didn't know how that was going to work out. I've been in circumstances before when the new guy is just kind of pushed around. He doesn't know what he's talking about. You're not really supported. Looking at Wild Abundance, I could tell that that was a very supportive place to be. This was the right choice, absolutely, 100%.
It's been nice to learn an environment where I feel safe, but I also feel like I can experiment. It feels okay to fail. I don't have to be perfect, and that's been a huge part of my learning experience, is just understanding that I don't have to get something right the first time, and then also learning how to fix things once you've messed stuff up.
This is a great jumping off point for being able to do pretty much whatever I want. I mean, my goal is to eventually build a house, and I think the main thing I got from this is that this is doable.
So I've gained a lot of confidence in the things that we have done and learned things that I don't even think I would be exposed to otherwise.
When we did the tiny home, after that I realized it's not as hard as you think once you have the knowledge.
You don't necessarily need to hire out everything. There's a lot you can do yourself.
It was just a really, really good crew to work with.
Everyone should come to Wild Abundance at some point because it's just such a wonderful place to learn. I just can't express my gratitude enough for it.